They say it never rains here in California, but every time I come, it rains. All right, so we made it through the rain. We're over at my friend Mario's. We're gonna film another video. If you guys remember the last time I did this, we made some pizza rolls. You can check that out on Instagram. Mario's on Roku TV. We got Cesar over here. Thanks for driving through the rain. Here's Mario.
Yes, welcome to the kitchen. We got everything set up for you.
Everything's prepped. Look at this. We have all these vegan ingredients.
The whole thing is I'm on a mission to learn how to cook vegan food. So you got to bring in the vegan zombie, the OG, to teach me some delicious dessert recipes. I'm stoked.
Where do people find you on the Roku?
If you could have Roku, you could just search Trying Vegan with Mario. We also just launched season 2 of Trying Vegan with Mario on Channel 1 on the East Coast. So if you're in New York City, search it, find it, give it a watch. We're really trying to help spread veganism in a new and interesting way, just like a lot of the stuff that the zombie's doing as well.
Literally, I have been vegan for most of my life, all of my adult life and my teenage years. The one thing I did notice when I went vegan was I had more energy. All right, guys, we just wrapped the vegan, delicious, compassionate cookie recipe with Mario, and you guys will be able to see that. You'll actually be able to see it on my channel too if you miss it, but Mario will have it on his Roku channel. I'm gonna be on Roku.
Yeah, let's go. Very excited about this. Compassionate cookies, amazing recipe. Just learning how to make plant-based food is just so easy every time I have one of my guests in my kitchen, like the vegan zombie crushed it.
We were just watching him on the big screen on the Roku. We asked him to show us, so it's really cool. We're gonna have you there next. I'm looking forward to being on the show again and having you on my show, so.
Thank you.
All right, guys. That's it. That's behind the scenes over here.
You know what? Before we leave, I know we got some more, some type of nut milk in the fridge. I need to dunk a cookie real quick. So they were doing some silk. Look at that. Oh, perfect. Almost didn't fit. The show goes on.
And it goes on.
Mm-hmm. Magic.
Now you got a little cookie.
Where'd it go?
Shake.
Where'd it go? Cheers. Oh look, there's a surprise. It's a cookie. You always want to talk about Ramen Hood. We're at Ramen Hood Grand Central Market right here in LA. It's raining, so we gotta get wrong. They close in 20 minutes. Yay! We got the poutine fries right here. A lot of flavors going on there with the fries, the pickle, the sauce. They're bomb. Oh, look at that. So that's beets in there, a nice crispy rice. Try it out. Oh, look at that. Eat your vegetables, my friends. Got some noodles right there.
Just in case you didn't know what he was doing.
Oh yeah.
So what's the best out of it?
I'm feeling the fries right now.
I got the old-fashioned peanut butter and jelly.
Apple jam, bitters, and orange zest. Old-fashioned. Feel like a kid.
We're gonna bite into this place.
PBJLA.
This place is all vegan, 100%.
It's like a giant, big old festival.
Yeah, only they're vegan. Fresh house-made peanut butter and everything. Also some vanilla, lavender milk. All right, on to the next place.
I like that.
So some of you back home might think I'm soaking up the sun here in California. Not the
Always
case.
bringing that rain.
It's cold, it's rainy, and we just had the best peanut butter and jelly sandwiches ever. And now we're heading to go, I think, to Yoga Urt.
It's never too cold for Yoga Urt.
Which is, you guys have
Might even do
probably
a
seen.
tree pose or something.
Oh, we got a big puddle I have to get around to get in the car. Boom, ninja.
So we're out here at Yoga Urt because it doesn't matter rain or shine. Yoga Urt is always fire. Wait,
No,
it's always
cold,
ice.
it's ice.
It's like ice cream. It's bomb. It don't matter how
yeah.
cold it is. Me and Cali. So we're out here at Redlands. We're at Plant Powered Fast Food. The future of fast food, my friends. And we're about to take you into the future because we're about to eat everything. Keeping it moving. Shakes, fries, burgers, voodoo fries, shakes, chicken sandwiches.
Vegan wings, I think.
They even got raw tacos. They got raw cheesecake. They got swag. They got the buttons. They got the shirts.
They got chill vibes.
They got the flavors. So
chill vibes. This is the Rambler. It's like a barbecue. It's like onion rings, barbecue, vegan cheese, burger. All right, first
Is there
bite.
bacon on it?
There's no vegan bacon on this one. I
Okay.
think that's a good idea though.
Barbecue burger.
Yeah, here we go.
Yeah, it smells good.
Really good.
And you got the wrap.
Yes.
It's in there, chicken. Burger chicken.
I don't even know, just deliciousness. Like black bean and beefy medley with chipotle, aioli, guacamole, and kale.
Awesome, it smells good. And when you got just the chicken nuggets?
Yes, I did. Delicious.
I've never had those. Are they good?
They're so good. It's my favorite thing here.
Got that chocolate peanut butter shake,
I got the chocolate.
aka Earth Crisis.
Yep. Photos. I even got a special Big Zack sauce. It only comes on the Big Zack.
Just chocolate.
Just chocolate.
It is chocolate. Wait, you got vegan bacon? I didn't know they had that.
Yeah, I got the bacon cheeseburger.
you don't even want to see what's in here.
Yeah, I
You,
do.
you guys want to see what's in here? All right. So, word of advice: whenever you go to a restaurant, ask advice from the employees because they eat this. They eat the food all the time, so they know the hacks. Oh, I got the Big Zack with the fried egg and bacon.
Passionate, like that's why people
What is
love
that?
him so talk.
It's the bacon cheeseburger with the fried egg.
Passionate about it.
Wow.
I feel like
Mine's like demolished. I haven't even tried it yet. Buffalo 66. Is that a shipper car? I drive a car that ships itself.
You got the buffalo, you got the sauce, got the lettuce, that nice crunch. This bomb.
yeah.
The side technique.
Oh man,
The flavors. Nothing
Oh,
like
yeah.
buffalo sauce and ranch and a little lettuce in there.
too good. It's too good.
Oh yeah.
Take it away from me. I'll eat it all.
All right. So what else do we got, guys? You guys ready for what's in the box? Voodoo fries with Big Zack sauce on top of it. Another hack. Voodoo fries, Big Zack sauce.
Isn't that like the second time you've had those today? But they were called something else?
We have poutine fries at Ramen Hood,
Very similar.
but this is, look at those onions. Wanna try it? There you go.
There's mattresses, but they're not mattresses.
Gotta get in there and get some.
He's been in a bunch of stuff with crates and obviously.
Yeah.
He does.
You've never been here before?
Yeah.
No, that's freaking amazing, and that's better than the animal fries at In-N-Out.
Oh, you heard it, you heard it. Better than those other fries.
Those other fries, what are those?
The out and out, because we don't eat them.
Out and out?
The out and out fries. Out and out. I'm not gonna advertise them.
Out and out.
You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying.
She's not the person who chooses.
Wow.
But it's
There's a sweetness to it. You added the Big Zack sauce. They're like, you gotta add the Big Zack sauce. I was like, let's do it.
I hear a lot of like vegan
and it does something. And I used to be scared of Thousand Island, never was a fan of it, but vegan, I like it. I love it. No animals are harmed. This is the future of fast food, my friends.
We're wrapping it up. We're posting photos. What's the plan?
So, the plan is I still got this shake. Don't forget to put peanut butter in it, all right? We're out here at Plant Powered Fast Food, in case you didn't know, Redlands, California. This is the to-go bag.
Whoa.
But we're gonna go to Sprouts to get some kombucha. Now don't forget to check out my bracelets. We're running kind of light right now, but we're gonna go get some Love Amaro Pizzeria. Hit up Jesse, the homie. He makes some fantastic gourmet pizza, and
we can see our breath. It's cold.
So guys, we're live from Syracuse.
Fresh basil always smells so good.
Like for a margarita pizza, it's organic. Don't panic. There it is. They call this Nadamu.
Nadamu Ali.
Pistachio, personal favorite. Rocky Road, another personal favorite. Sometimes I like mint chip, personal favorite. Actually, probably right now we'll get some vanilla and put on it. Hopefully there's some sweet pizza. I'm just saying, guys, Nadamu.
Don't eat like Cesar at home. He's a professional. It's very dangerous.
This is not Oatly, but it will do. What is that? Oatly? It's silk oat, yeah. Oh! Nadamu, guys.
Right in his pocket.
Always keep one in your pocket because you never know, and you might run into a really good pastry. Just need a scoop to get you through the day, or you're gonna go hit up Love Amaro Pizzeria and get some of that sweet pizza. I don't think it's been introduced to Nadamu, but tonight's the night.
All right, we are here. This guy makes pizzas out of his apartment. I hear these are the best pizzas around.
The best pizza around. We at Love Amaro Pizzeria right now. We're about to see some magic. Jesse right here. This is the man, the myth, the legend.
What's up, guys? What's up, people?
It's like we're working at a pizzeria.
It's like a restaurant here. It's got all like deluxe like utility.
It takes 90 seconds once it's in the oven.
90 seconds?
Yeah.
What kind of pizza do you guys think we're gonna have? This
is legit.
Pesto?
Yeah, it's a pumpkin seed pesto.
Ooh.
Got 3 cameras on you.
I have Alfredo sauce. I have a mac and cheese. I got breadsticks.
Ooh, that red sauce though.
Pumpkin pizza.
Dang. So that's Miyoko's mixed with Follow Your Heart, you said?
Yes, sir.
I love the smell of fresh basil.
Forever. And there's already pizza ready. So how long have you been chefing it, Jesse?
I've been doing this since May.
What?
Yeah.
What'd you do before that?
I used to be a chef.
Oh, okay. So you know how to cook.
Yeah.
I was like, you can't learn all this stuff.
Well, I honestly learned this off YouTube. Honestly, with all his channels and.
He actually learned it from my channel, and now I get to taste it.
Papa Zombie.
I get to taste pizza from my apprentice that I'd never met. This is Mac.
Whoa. Wait, this is Mac pizza?
Mac and cheese pizza.
Oh god, I gotta sit down.
What kind of cheese do you put on it?
Follow Your Heart cheddar.
Tell us about your logo. It's like water?
It's like water, blue. So I'm a Cancer, so I'm supposed to be around water. Love being a word that one of the scientists in Japan put molecules against, or looked at it against the microscope, and he got one with rice that said I hate you, one that I love you. And when he looked under the microscope, the one that said love was thriving, and the one that he kept saying I hate or you're ugly was actually dying. So just the word power of love actually means something. It has more power than what we actually means. So if more people say love, well, veganism is coming full circle.
Cesar, what are you about to do?
Sweet pizza. So check this out, guys. This is a bomb and amazing as is. But we're gonna do a little something here today. Can you get a little bit of that Nadamu? Nice little scoop on there.
And this is a a jam from the farmer's market, right?
Yeah, this is a jam from the farmer's market, so boom. Get some Nadamu on there.
And Cesar makes his own bead bracelets.
Oh yeah. Hit me up. We are all everywhere forever. Everywhere forever, YouTube.
Traffic jam when you're already late.
Raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, sugar. So this is at Love Amaro Pizzeria, first time ever. Collab with Nadamu.
And Nanamu didn't even know.
Oh wow. It was bomb before, and now it's Nadamu-licious.
How much dessert have you had today?
Or is it technically still today? Oh man, so in 10 minutes I'm gonna start my fast.
Wait. It doesn't start with yogurt. It starts with that PBJ.
I should start with the cookies you made for
For breakfast.
And it ain't ending here either.
Right off the bat. The dough is just right. I can taste the basil.
The dough is
and
so
the
perfect.
sauce is really good too. The homemade sauce.
San Marcino's.
Everything
You
homemade.
can't beat house made. He's got homemade tea too.
Right out of his kitchen, in his apartment.
Tea time.
90-second gourmet pizza.
So how do people order from you? They just call you up?
Yep, so you follow my Instagram page. I have instructions how you do your delivery or pickups, and it kind of gives your name, your pizzas, cash card, address. I'll text you back and I'll bring it to your house. And I do city calls too. I do Los Angeles, Santa Ana.
How far do you drive?
If it's city calls, 20 pizzas or more, and I'll take it to a city.
Like Riverside.
Yeah, last time I did Temecula, that's about an hour away. And I did
Temecula.
about 30 pizzas over there from this little apartment.
Damn.
Do you do it all yourself, or do you have
Do it
people?
all myself. This is a one-man operation
Wow.
team.
If you live around, where are we?
We're downtown Riverside.
Downtown Riverside. Come over and get some pizza. He's right in your neighborhood if you're in Riverside.
Be in love.
All right, man. Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Pizza, pizza.
See ya.
Today's gonna be a great day. The day's just getting started.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get nachos.
Hey guys, we're driving home right now. It's really late. We haven't had much sleep. Cesar's falling asleep driving, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a little much needed workout. Just a real quick one. We're gonna run down, run back, do some push-ups.
Fasting.
Oh, hold my pants off, hold on. Give me 10. You okay? I said we do it again.
Are you guys just running around because you're tired?
Yeah. Whoa, what a day. We're both pretty exhausted. Just gonna close this out. You can tell.
Oh yeah. That's a wrap. I'm fasting now, so nothing but H2O for this day. Yesterday though, we went to a lot of spots.
I had a lot of fun.
Oh yeah.
Watch out for zombies and have a great night.
Peace.